Getting your shop up and running should be easy, but so many little things can stand in the way. Here at Florida Filtration and Spray Booth Services, Inc., we've been installing and supporting Florida's paint booths for decades, making sure that your business doesn't miss a beat. As a provider of automotive, marine, and industrial refinishing equipment and services, we've been a leader in the Florida and Caribbean refinish equipment market since our inception in 1992. Providing the best refinishing equipment from reputable manufacturers like Global Finishing Solutions. As a certified building contractor and certified mechanical contractor, we're fully licensed to take on any project to service your Florida paint booths. We're your one-stop facility, able to visit and assess your worksite personally and quickly. Move forward with engineering a solution perfect for you, all while inspecting the finished product to ensure quality. By distributing for Global Finishing Solutions, we're here to showcase their revolutionary, easy-to-use Revo product line, allowing you to rapidly cure filler and coatings in minutes. Start engineering your Florida paint booths with us today by going online at flfiltration.com or call 561-582-5543.